It's very simple to add transition. Go to transition tab, then under the transition we have lots of transition. Also some are free and paid. If you see this icon, that means the transition is not downloaded yet. And if there are no icon, that means it's already downloaded, like this. And to see this preview of the transition, just single click. Look, single click. And if you go to the downloads here, download, you will see all your download transition, and you can see most popular transition used. Look, transition popular here. For example, you want to use this, you will pull it out, play it. See, this is very simple. This longer and this shorter. It sees our frame phrase. So how to fix this problem? You will click this icon and you will waiting to end. This icon. No matter how large the project is, the longer it takes, and the smaller the project, then less time it takes. You see this icon says similar. It says find similar in this transition. This. I will click it and waiting. Look, he's showing all similar transition like this. And this is icon. It's make this transition in favorite, and you can find here. Find here. You say this transition has no sound effect. If you want a sound effect, you go to the audio, sound effect, for example transition, or another sound effect. For example, I will use this. I will pull it out here. You're waiting.